Once again, power of analysis. How many times did not I tell you? 95, $96 levels is something you should watch out for. Crude oil, only if it sustains beyond 96 you can confirm that there are bulls and it is going to go past $100 levels. Fairly it achieved 95.5 last week. Also remember, see, it sustained above $86 levels, very strong support zone in between 86 and 85. We have seen now four candles getting the support out there. Now what is going to happen next week, we will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Missing on to subscribe is missing on to profits out there. Do not commit this mistake, as I share my daily updates on crude oil very early in the day with the Asia session. So do subscribe and do watch that. Do not forget to like, share and comment. First we look into candlestick charts followed with indicators, and in the end I will give you the trading levels and strategy for next week. So let's start with the daily charts first. Now look at the daily charts. If you look at the daily charts, it is trying to give you lower highs, at the same time a flat bottom. And if you consider the near term time frame, it has seen the highs, it has seen the retracement. This is an expanding triangle, so this is still bullish. Only if it trades above $95 next week you can expect further bullishness. Then the next target is 98 and $100 levels. In fact, it can try to rise till towards 103. So only bullishness next week is if you see it trading beyond 95. Beyond 95, successfully trading above 95, you can expect it to remain bullish. Now look at the, see, it has seen a bottom out there, a rise, retracement and a drop and a reversal achieving the highs. Now it is trying to reverse again. Look at the last two candles. So yes, lower lows. At the same time the body size has diminished. The bulls tried to pull it upwards, the bears failed to take the charge out there. So a possible long entry now is seen above 93.5, but then watch out for 94 and 95 levels. It has got larger resistance around 95, 96 levels also, and once it trades above 96 it will call for a further stronger bullish move. So till 96 you have to trade with a trailing stop loss. You can take a long entry at 93.5 though. Now on the same side, yes, if you see it dropping, this is rather on the other side, if you see it dropping below this zone at 92.5, yes, you can take a short entry, and then one can expect that a similar size of candle can be seen where we may see it getting the support at 91 and $90 levels. Breaking below 89.5, it will further call for the bears out there, and then you can see it dropping further. See, it is trying to trade in this channel, which is a bullish channel, and sustaining below 92 it will call for further bearishness. So this is what we can observe on the daily charts. Let's have a look at the 4-hour chart. See, classical moves here. This was the rally when it is started from close to 90 levels on the 4-hour chart, and see a rise, retracement, rise, drop and retracement and the sharper drop, and now trying to retrace. At the same time one must observe it is trying to trade in this channel, which is a bearish channel. The support at $90 and 89.5 is strong. So yes, only long entry as I said is above 93.5, beyond which yes you can take a long entry, expect 94 as the resistance, and beyond that you can expect it to fly for 95, 96, and beyond 96 again 97, 98 zone can be seen. On the downside, look at this, it is giving you lower highs, higher lows. Once you see it dropping below 92, you can stay short on crude oil, and then expect 91 as the first support, 90.2 as the next support, 89.4, 89 and 88 levels as the next target. In fact, below 88 we can see a sharper move. So this is on the 4-hour charts. Let's have a look at the monthly candle. On the monthly charts you will find that see these two candles. See, this candle, neither it achieved the highs of this channel nor it achieved the lows of this channel, so higher lows rather, and it is trying to reverse from here. It is trying to create a bottom from here. For next month also it may give you similar candle and then it can reverse. So see this, rise here, retracement, and I will consider this as retracement unless it trades above $100 levels. Beyond 100 definitely it will call for further bulls out there. So it may try to close the month at around these levels only, sustain at these levels only. So possibility exists that it may not try to breach 96 levels, and only sustaining above 96 you can consider that it may try to act bullish. It is trying to show you a reversal. Next monthly candle will also be something like this, and then it may reverse on the upside, give you a sharper red green candle, taking it till towards 110 in the month of October or plus levels. Now let's have a look at the indicators, whether the indicators also speak of the same language. See, the support there at 92 on the indicator is strong. This is also 50. This is also close to the bottom of the Bollinger Bands, and then 91 and 90 levels. This is the 50 period moving average and the pivot level at 90.2. So this is going to be fairly strong support zone. At the same time, 94 is a good resistance zone. I have always maintained. Directional movement is bearish, it is diverged. Stochastic has seen it is at comfortable level, but if it reverses from here, it will again try to enter into oversold zone. Be cautious, be watchful. This is just a retracement you should consider. MACD is bearish on the 4-hour charts and it is divergent. RSI is comfortable here on the 4-hour charts. Look at the daily charts. On the daily charts now it is trading below the 150 period moving average, situated at around $95. On the downside, the 20 period moving average giving it a fairly strong support at $90 levels or 90.2 levels. Only dropping below $90 levels, you can consider that the bears may prevail, and then we can see a little drop. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is overbought on the daily charts, looking downwards from here. MACD is bullish, trying to converge from here. Let's see if it converges, crossover for a sell entry. RSI trading flat, and if you look at the weekly chart, the bottom there at 85. This is also the bottom of the Bollinger Bands, giving it a fairly strong support. At the same time, trying to trade in this bullish channel. I will be watchful till 96. Only if it sustains above 96, confirm that it may cross $100 and 103 levels, else it can try to sustain within this zone. At the same time, now, so on the downside we have seen support there at 85, below that $80 levels, and then 75 will come into picture. Far away, distinct future. Let's see if it does act bearish. You can see directional movement is bearish but willing to converge. Stochastic was at bottom. It has seen the oversold level, trying to rise, and if it continues, it is going to give you a stronger bullish move ahead. Directional movement is bearish so far. It is willing to converge, crossover. RSI is looking upwards. And if you look at the monthly candle, on the monthly charts, $80 levels and 85 levels, very strong support exists. This is the 20 months average at $80 levels, and as I said, it is trying to reverse from here. Let's see if it sustains above 85 levels and $80 levels. You can consider that it is going to remain bullish in the next month and next to next month also, till the time it trades above 80. Oil has a tendency that in next month or next to next month it is going to hit 110 120 levels towards the end of October itself. Directional movement is bullish, it is willing to converge. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD is willing to converge, crossover for a sell entry. It is refraining from it so far. RSI is looking downwards. Considering this, now we have seen the charts, now we have seen the indicators, and let me give you the trading levels and strategy for next week. See how important it is to understand the charts. Charts speak out everything. And yes, if you want to understand the charts equally like how I see, and also to take the right entries and right exits, you can join my mentorship batch. Also, you can be part of my signals group, which is now I have moved to Patreon. In Patreon, there are a couple of tiered membership. One is a support membership, then next is the signals and consulting, where you can discuss with me, discuss the future aspect, discuss the right position, and also you can trade as per the signals. The Patreon link is mentioned in the description. Regarding training, it is a 15-day session, 90 minutes daily, lifetime support is what you get. Definitely it will help you become an independent trader. Reach out to me for more details via Telegram or email. Now next week, only long entry is little distinct, but yes, you can try to initiate it as 93.1. remember, I will not consider that as a bullish move till the time it breaks 94. Only above 94 I will consider that as bullish, else till 94 it holds good that it can try to drop. But since it is at 92.8, I am giving you an entry at around 93.1 level itself. You can enjoy the benefits till 93.5, 93.5, 94. It can reverse any point of time. Beyond this, the next target is 95, 95.5, and then 96. only breaking above 96, you can expect that it is going to act bullish till 98 and 100, and then it will fly for 102.2 and 104. So this is how I don't expect, though it may break 96 levels, I don't expect, but markets does not work at as per my expectation. Markets are markets. You have to trail your stop loss till 96, and yes, stop loss trailing means it can close whenever you see a reversal. You have to keep a distinct gap, maybe 20 points, or you can say 20 cents of or 40 cents, such that in case of a reversal, it can your position can close in profit itself, and then you can take a short trade accordingly if you see it dropping. So on the downside, yes, you can go short if you see it dropping below 92.4. Then 92 levels is going to be the very strong support out there. Below 92, the next support at 91, and these two levels are going to be very important, and then 90.2. So till 90.2, it has a tendency that it can reverse. Below 92.2, it will call for more bears out there. Then 89.4, 88 levels should be the next target, and below 88, it will again look for 86 and 85. Only bears there out if it draws below 85. Till the time it trades above 85, 86 zone and below 100 levels, or rather 96 levels, we have to trade with caution. It can show you little swing out there. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals group on Patreon. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My email IDs and telegram IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.